Hi boys and girls, if you missed our math lesson yesterday, you're going to need some supplies before we get started. You're going to need your 5-frame mat. This should be in the front pocket of your white binder. It has a 10-frame on this side, but we're going to use the 5-frame and we're going to turn it sideways like this. You're going to also need your baggie from your toolkit and your chips. You can use chips to do this project, this lesson, or you can use a dry erase marker, counting chips. I have to hold up mine, so I'm going to use my marker today. So what we talked about is we talked about showing 1 in different ways on a 5-frame. So one of the ways you can show 1 on your 5-frame is you could put a chip here in the first box. You could also put a chip here. You could show 1 by putting your chip here in the last box. Or in this one. So you have 3 empty, and then a chip, and then an empty. You can also show 1 by putting a chip in the middle box. So there's lots of different ways to show 1 in your 5-frame. So you can practice that with your chips and or with your dry erase marker. Now we're going to talk about ways to show 2 in your 5-frame. So you need 2 chips. Here is one way you can make 2 in your 5-frame. You could put 2 right here. Or you could put empty, chip, chip, empty, empty. That's another way to show 2. You could do empty, empty, chip, chip, empty. That's another way. Or you could do this. Empty, 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 chip, chip. Okay. There's still more ways you can show 2. You could have 1 here and 1 all the way down here. That's another way to show 2. You could do like this. Space, chip, space, chip, space. You could do 1 here and 1 here. So there's lots of ways to show 1 and lots of ways to show 2 on your 5-frame. So use your chips and use your marker to explore all those different ways. And then you can show somebody in your family how smart you are. We will work on showing 3, 4, and 5 on our 5-frame next time.